What's up, you guys? My name is Jaden and welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I got a treat for you guys. So today we're going to be talking about CJ Dropshipping, which is the main supplier that I like to use when I'm testing products and dropshipping. Now I swear that this video is not sponsored. I get so many questions from you guys asking me, what supplier to use. Should I be using ALIEXPRESS? What's the best supplier? So today I'm going to be showing you the main supplier that I like to use and how to navigate through the website, how to add products to your store, how to add the app to your Shopify store, and so much more. And also, if you haven't noticed already, we literally changed up our entire background. I think this looks so much better. Let me know in the comment section. If you guys watched my last video, I told you guys that it looked a little dark in here. We got some lighting and I just think it looks a lot more presentable. So anyways, I don't want to waste any more of your time. If you are excited for the video, make sure you go ahead and drop a like. That lets me know that you are enjoying the content here on the channel. And also hit that subscribe button. We're so close to 500 subscribers. So if you guys are interested in anything e-commerce related, business, finance, how to make money online, mindset, we got it all here, and this is the perfect channel for you. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. All right, so hopping right in my computer, I forgot to mention that you need to stay into the end of this video because I'm gonna be giving away something for free. It's gonna help you with product research. Like I said, it's 100% free, and you're gonna wanna know exactly what it is. So anyways, I literally made a brand new Shopify store for this, a brand new CJ Dropshipping for this. So hopefully we don't run into any problems. So first, what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna go to apps. You're gonna wanna go to customize your store, and you're gonna wanna add the CJ Dropshipping app to your Shopify store. You're gonna need to do that to be able to literally use all of the features. So you're gonna just type in CJ Dropshipping. Here it is right here. And you're just gonna wanna add the app. All right, so now that you have it added to your store, it's going to come up like this. It's gonna say authorization success, and that means that it's tied correctly. And now you can go ahead and start, listing products and using CJ Dropshipping. So just to start off, you're gonna see pretty much kind of the same layout as AliExpress. It almost even looks like AliExpress in my opinion. Maybe it's just the orange, but you could literally look through all of the different niches here and it'll show you all of the different products. So first, what I want to show you is that if you keep scrolling down, you're going to see a section that says trending products. This is actually a great way to find, winning products. A little bit of a low-key underrated product research method just because of one specific thing. So if you go to view more, it's going to bring up all the trending products on CJ Dropshipping. Okay, and you can mess with the different filters here. And what I want you to notice is the number of lists here. Lists means how many stores have that product tied to their store, if that makes sense. So the more, that means obviously it's a popular product. Just because it only has 3 lists or this one has 6 lists, that doesn't mean that it's not a good product. It just may or may not be a winning product and someone already tested it, or maybe it's an old product, or maybe it's just a brand new product and no one's actually tapped into it yet. So let's find a product that has a bunch of lists on it. So let's say, for example, I want to get into the beauty niche. So I could just type in beauty on the very top. You can also search by image here as well. So if you can't find a product, make sure you drag and put the picture in there as well. It does do image search. Also, I've noticed on CJ Dropshipping, it's not like AliExpress. AliExpress, you can literally type in anything into the search bar and it'll bring up results. CJ Dropshipping, like sometimes the one flaw about this is that you literally have to type it in exactly how it is. Like if you even misspell it, it won't bring anything up, which kind of sucks. But anyways, now here are the search results. So if you want to find the products that have the most lists, you can literally just click on this button right here and it's going to bring up the top products for beauty. So as you can see, this product right here, which everybody sold this product. I've seen this product so many times. But as you can see, it has 406 lists, which is, insane, right? So as you can see, where is it? Where the hell is the list? Oh, right here. Okay, so 406 lists. And it's pretty much set up just like AliExpress. If it has a video ad, it'll be a video ad here. It'll have a bunch of, high quality images that you can go ahead and, download with one click of a button right here. Also, you can scroll down. It'll give you like a basic description. And again, it'll show you the different, images. And yeah, so I went ahead and chose a new product. that we can go ahead and list to this Shopify store. So that way you guys can get an idea, and that way you can use this as a guideline to be able to go ahead and list a product that you want to sell to your store. So I chose something that's very easy, very simple, something that doesn't have too many variants so it doesn't get too confusing. So this is the pet water bottle. I'm sure you guys have seen this product like thousands of times. But anyways, the product price is $4.51. It's going to show you all the different color variants, or the different variants here. It's going to show you the styles. So there's a 550 milliliter and there is a 350 milliliter. It's going to show you the shipping from warehouse. Now for the warehouse, I like to do either the United States or the China warehouse. Majority of the time I just choose the China warehouse because that's usually the only one that's available. But if there is the United States warehouse, then just choose that. But they also have like Thailand and I believe a few others. But yeah, just stick to those two. All inventory, Shopify's the platform, United States of America. And then here is the shipping methods. So this is exactly why I tell everyone to not use AliExpress, and why CJ Dropshipping is so great, because they have so many different shipping options and they're so much faster than AliExpress. AliExpress is going to take 45 days probably to ship this product to your customer. Well, maybe not this product because it's a popular one. I would be shocked if they didn't have any in the US, but you understand what I'm trying to say. So there is a bunch of different ones that you can use. I usually don't do anything that's like CJ packet oversize or DHL. DHL is going to be fast, 3 to 7 days, but I mean, it's going to be super expensive. I mean, if you got the margins to do it, then so be it. But I've never had a situation where I needed to use DHL. So the shipping method that I would use for this specific product would be this one right here, which is CJ Packet YT US Ordinary. I've used this one numerous of times. It's very accurate. It does get there within 7 to 15 business days, or 7 to 15 days, usually more so in the 12 to 15 range from what I've experienced. But this is the one I would choose, even though it's a little bit more than these here. But like I always tell everyone, I mean, I would literally, sacrifice 50, 60 cents to get faster shipping times. It is what it is. So majority of the time, I'll either go with that or I'll go with USPS if they have it, just because the United States Postal Service is very reliable. So in this situation, we're just gonna choose this one, which is 7 to 15 business days. And then it'll tell you your shipping costs, and it's gonna tell you the total drop shipping price. So the total drop shipping price for this product is $13.24. It's gonna tell you the exact inventory. And this is why you need to pay attention to the shipping from warehouse, because say for example, this was the United States warehouse, right? And you came down here in the inventory, sometimes it'll say like 10. Like there's literally 10 left. You obviously don't want to use that warehouse because there's no stock there's no stock of this product. So then you would switch the warehouse to China warehouse, and as you can see, there's 10,000 units available. It's going to tell you the processing time. It's going to tell you the weight. It's going to tell you all kinds of different information here. How much lists of this product, which is 920. So mad people have this on the store. So now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on list. Now it's going to bring up this entire screen right here. And you can leave this the same. This is going to be your store, and then you're going to have to do the product type, and you're going to have to do the vendor. So usually what I do for the product type, I'll just put like, I don't know, pet, right? It doesn't really matter. Collections, if you have a collection on your Shopify store that you want to, put this under, then you can, but I usually just leave it blank. And then vendor, I'll usually just name the vendor like the name of my store. So I'll just put test store. I'm not going to type in all the numbers that I put here, but test store, that works. Okay, so now here are all your different variants. It's going to show you exactly what it comes with. So this one is pink and it comes with a filter. This is a 350 milliliter. So here you're going to put in all the prices for the specific variants. Now, I believe you have to add all of the variants. You can't just leave any out. So you're gonna have to add them, and then you can go into Shopify and actually delete them if you want to. So I usually just click that button right there, which selects them all. And then say, for example, you wanted to make them all $39.99, right? Let's just say that's what it is. I would not price this at $39.99. But say if you wanted to do it $39.99, this will literally bulk revise it, so that way you don't have to individually type in $39.99 for every single line, because there's some products that have like 30, 40 different variants. You'll be sitting there all fucking day, like, $39.99, $39.99, which is kind of annoying. So that's a little bit of a trick. So now that everything is filled out, just keep in mind, $20 is the bare minimum for any margin for any product that I want to sell. So just make sure that you have it at least $20 more than the total drop shipping cost. Okay, so that way you can, be fine with all those Facebook ad costs and, everything else. Now that you have everything filled out, you're just going to want to make sure that you have this selected on the right one, which is going to now show 7 to 15 days. And then all you have to do is click list it now. And now it's going to take, a few minutes, usually a few seconds, and it'll list it automatically to your store for you to go ahead and edit, which I will show you in a second. All right, so back in our Shopify store. So now you're going to want to go to products, and now you'll see that the product is added. So you can go in and you can edit it, change up your description. The description that's on the CJ listing will be automatically put in here with the images, so you can save them if you want to. You can change the title. One thing I do want to show you is how to go ahead and delete variants. So if you want to delete your variant, all you have to do is just literally come here, click on it, go to more actions, and then delete variant. So right back on the CJ platform, I want to show you one thing or a few things once you get your first order, or how to source a product if you can't find the product. So what you're going to want to do is go to My CJ on the very top right here, and it's going to show you like a little bit of a dashboard. You're going to want to go to sourcing. And this is exactly how you're going to be able to source a product if CJ Dropshipping doesn't have it. Now, I haven't had any situation where I've given a product to CJ and they haven't been able to source it. So you shouldn't have that problem. So you're going to click on post sourcing request, and then you're going to do individual product, and you're going to fill out all of this information. You're going to upload any images you have of that specific product. You're going to put the product title. You're going to put what price you would like it to be. You're going to want, put quantity, all of that. Just literally put everything here and then click submit. And then it usually takes about, from my experience, like 24 to 48 hours, and they'll find a product for you, and you should get an email. But if not, you could just come back into sourcing and it'll say like sourcing succeeded, and then you can go ahead and add it right to your store the exact same way that I just showed you. All right, so now you just got your first order. What do? CJ Dropshipping is not going to automatically fulfill it for you. So you're gonna have to fulfill it yourself. Eventually, if it gets too crazy, you may want to get a VA to do this for you, so that way you're not doing this all day. But it's really not that big of a deal once you're, if you're only getting a few orders. So also, one thing I want to mention is if you ever have any, problems, just come down right here, click on this chat, and just hop on with somebody. They're actually really good and really fast on answering your questions. So, if there's anything you need, feel free to go down there. God, I sound like this is a sponsored video. I swear to God, it's not. But anyways, so you're gonna want to go to orders, and then you're gonna want to go to imported orders, okay? And since we have no orders in here, it's going to be difficult for me to be able to show you everything, but you should be able to, get the point. So you're going to want to click on sync store orders, and then you're going to want to click on sync now. And once you sync it, it's literally going to show up right here in your dashboard. Again, if you have any issues, they will literally walk you through it. I believe they'll send you like a forum link or some kind of link that shows you exactly how to walk you through it. And there's so many other tutorials out there that'll show you exactly how to do it. But anyways, they'll show up right here. You'll literally click the variant, click the shipping method, and then you'll go ahead and add to cart and literally just pay. I usually pay with PayPal. You can pay with whatever you choose to. All right, so that was pretty much all I really wanted to explain as far as CJ Dropshipping goes. If you understand everything that I just spoke about, that'll get you so far. I mean, there's so many other things that you can do with CJ, but I mean, I don't want this to be a crazy long video, but I did say at the beginning of the video that I was going to give you guys a treat if you stayed to the end. So if you did stay to this point, I greatly appreciate it. So this right here is a product research sheet. I'm going to be leaving it in the pinned comment below. Just click the link. All you're going to have to do is fill out your name and your email, I believe, and you get this for free. So this is the exact sheet that I use when I'm doing product research. You want to stay organized when you're doing this stuff because you want to be able to remember exactly, what products you want to sell and things of that nature. A lot of people will do product research and then they're like, oh shit, what was that one product that I was going to test again? I forgot. And that could have been your winning product. That may have been your banger, but you forgot because you didn't write it down. Okay. So right here. So say if I was testing a product or I wanted to test a product, I found it on AliExpress. I would write right here the product name. Then here I would put the supplier link, if that's CJ Dropshipping, if that's AliExpress, whatever the case may be. Now, the competitor link, I'm gonna go on my Facebook ad spy tool like Drop by Spy or Ad Spy, and I'm gonna find a competitor. If you don't have a paid option, then you can go to Facebook ad library, find a competitor, and then put that here. And this is just for your reference, so that way you can look at a competitor and be able to know exactly what they're doing, how they're selling it, what's their description look like, what are they pricing the product at, and so on. Then next, what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna put in the product cost with shipping, okay? And then you're gonna wanna put the sale price. This is the price that you're gonna sell the product for. And then you're gonna figure out what your break-even ROAS is and your break-even point. I give you both of the equations right here, and I'll explain that here in a second. But right here, I put a product criteria. So that way you know exactly what you're looking for when you're looking for products. So the product needs to solve a problem or create a desire. It needs to have a minimum margin of $20. The product must be unique and not found in stores. And then right here, I give you the equations for break-even ROAS, which is your sales price divided by your margin, and then break-even point, which is your margin, but it's sell price minus the product cost. So hopefully this helps you guys. I know that this is gonna bring a bunch of value to you. Yeah, go ahead, go to the pinned comment and download it for yourself. All right, you guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Let me know in the comment section what else you guys wanna see from me in the future. Is there any tutorials or anything specific that you want me to talk about? Let me know in the comment section. Leave a like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I appreciate all of you guys that continue to show support on these videos. It really keeps me motivated to keep going. And yeah, I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I'll see y'all next time.